For this video, I'm going to share with you how to use 3-pin rocker switch. A 3-pin rocker switch, and this is what I have right here. 1, 2, 3. If you look at on the body, this is how the look from outlook here. So this is 0 means off, on, 1 means on. And I just place right here. So if you look at the closely to the body of this rocker switch, they will be written as KCD3. Depends on different model. What I have right here is KCD3, 16 ampere, 250 voltage, and 20 ampere, 125 voltage. So they already specify this rocker switch is used for either it's 250 voltage or 125 voltage. So 250 voltage, 220 voltage, 240 voltage, or you can apply in this rocker switch. Why they specify this rocker switch used for AC? Because of this rocker switch has the internal light. If you open the switch inside here, you will see there is the internal LED inside. Either it's LED or a neon light. So that will indicate that once you switch turn on, the light of this switch will be turned on. If you switch make it off, then the internal light will be turned off as well. That's why they specify this rocker switch is used for AC voltage. So if you check this switch, you will see 3 pin here, and the first 1, 2, the first 2 pin is silver color, and the last pin is gold color. Gold color, silver color, so the first pin and the second pin is a silver color, and the last pin is gold color. Gold color is used for internal light. This two is used for the switch. So to be more easy to understand, live wire coming and into the first pin of the silver color here, and the live wire out from the second pin of the silver color here and coming to the load, which is the lamp. And neutral wire coming to the gold color pin here. So at the same time, the neutral cable out back from this the gold color pin and connected to the lamp here. The first 2 pin for live in, live out. The last gold color pin for internal light, neutral in, neutral out in the same pin. Live in is pin 1, live out is pin 2. I just move on the side here, and this is where I have the lamp here, which is 240 voltage, and actually this is how the actual cable coming here. So this is the live cable, and this one is the neutral. So I cut in the middle of the live cable here. I cut off, and I use the cable terminal. I apply the heat shrink so that it's will be more safety. I'm going to plug into the silver color, the first pin, and this live wire out from the second pin. So this is right here, like this. So live cable, live in the first pin, live out the second pin, and here is the neutral. This neutral in the cable terminal, I join together here, and two in one I clip together. Then I connected to this gold color pin. So that after I connected to this gold color pin, if I turn on, then the internal light will be turned on as well. So make sure you connect properly and your cable terminal is not shaking. Make sure that, and be careful while you are using for the AC switch. Now I'm going to plug into the AC power source. Okay, I will turn on the switch here. So now the current is already coming here. So after you turn on the main power source here, you don't try to touch on this terminal, because now the current is already input here. So this is very dangerous, and this AC current can kill us. So you hold properly, and we try to turn on the switch. So you on the switch, the internal light will indicate you that this is turning on. The internal light also turning on because of this neutral cable. If you off, on, you will see the switch light is turned on, turn off. Okay, I try to turn off the source, power source. I unplug first, and if I remove this neutral, now it's just for the switch. So if I turn on the switch, and the load still will be turned on. Let us try. Okay, I turn on. Okay, let me turn on. The light still can turn on, but the internal light will not be turned on anymore because the neutral is not into the gold color pin. So you will not know that this switch is turned on or off because the light is not indicating. So off, on, there is no light using for this two pin only. That's why the gold color applying for the neutral is important. Turn off. We apply back this neutral. Now we try again. Turn on, off. on, off.